Hello and welcome to pH Biology. Today's explainer is osmosis, water moving through a membrane to balance the solute. By the end of this video, you'll know the proper definition, what happens to plant and animal cells in different solutions, and why osmosis runs every required practical with potato cylinders. Osmosis is the net movement of water from a region of higher water potential, a more dilute solution, to a region of lower water potential, a more concentrated solution, across a partially permeable membrane. Only water moves. Solute particles cannot pass through, and no energy is required. Three things. 1. The membrane must be partially permeable. 2. Water moves down its water potential gradient, which means into the more concentrated solution. 3. A plant cell in pure water becomes turgid. An animal cell in pure water bursts because it has no cell wall to limit expansion. Common slip. Osmosis is about water specifically, not any liquid, and the direction can confuse. Water moves to where there's more solute. A potato cylinder placed in concentrated sugar solution loses mass. Water is leaving the cells through osmosis into the surrounding solution. Quick example. A potato cylinder in distilled water gains mass. Water enters cells by osmosis. Potato cylinder in concentrated sugar solution loses mass. Water leaves the cells by osmosis. Plot percentage change in mass against sugar concentration, and where the line crosses zero is the water potential of the potato cells. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.